Hey cuties! Today I'll show you how to draw and color Goofy. We'll start with the face and draw the eyes first. We draw an arc in each eye, and then a small pointed zigzag in the left gap. After that we draw the nose under the eyes. First we make an arc, and then two small oval underneath it. Next we will draw the lower part of Goofy's face. I will show you step by step how I do it. Try to copy me as best you can. Then we will draw the upper part of Goofy's face. Here I will show you step by step how I do it. Try to copy me again as best as you can. On the lower half of the face, on the left and right sides we add two short hairs each. Then we draw two teeth under the lower half of the face. And under the teeth, we draw a wide open mouth with a tongue. Next we draw the part of Goofy's face that is below his mouth. Now draw a long left ear to the left of the mouth. And we add two small hairs to the bottom again. We repeat the same on the right side. Here we draw a long right ear with two small hairs too. Now we continue with Goofy's hat. First we draw the brim of the hat. Then we draw the crown of the hat together with a hat band. We also draw three very long hairs on top of Goofy's head. Now I'll quickly show you how I colored my Goofy. First I colored the upper part of the face with the eyes, ears and hat band in black. After that I colored the hat green. For the lower part of the face I used a skin color. And for the tongue I used a light pink. And finally I painted the inside of my mouth black. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you again next time. See you soon.